Hi guys, so I got on my report card this week, and sorry if you hear the voices in the background. So I got on my report card this week, and I'm not gonna tell you if I did bad or good. So yeah, and maybe I did good, maybe I did bad, maybe I did good. Nobody knows. Nobody will know. Nobody will know if they ever hear from me that they mistaken. They hear from somebody else. But I go to Nickel School. I love that school. It's really good. Leave a comment down below which school you go to, and please leave a comment down below if you're on spring break or not, because I'm on spring break. Today is March 12th, 2015, and March 13th, 2015, I will be going on spring break. So leave a comment down below, and please like this video, and make sure to subscribe.